Hi to all, you are on my Steel Mouse Collections YouTube channel, and I just want to tell you something about a new type of collection. It will be ceramics and porcelain, or china. You see, I prepare a lot of items to show you. You can ask me, what interesting in these items? But it's from different countries and it's really nice. First of all, I want to show you this. This is for butter. You see how it's beautiful, really beautiful, and it's just middle of the 20th century, and it was made, ta-da, in Germany. It's porcelain from Germany. Not only China and not only Asia can produce this. It's Europe. But I have China porcelain to show you. Let's look for... где еще одна чашка у меня была? Принеси с кухни китайскую. Let's look at this. It's the same item for kitchen, and you can see how wonderful it was made. This gold and blue paints. You see, it was made in the middle of 20th century, and it's the same porcelain, but it was made in USSR. Next item, I want to show you this. It's a little cup, and it was made the same in the USSR in the middle of 20th century, but I want to show you one interesting part of this. You see here, it is a stamp of a porcelain and ceramics plant. Every plant has his own stamp as a trademark. We have a lot of porcelain plants. We had a lot of porcelain plants there in the USSR, Verbilki and some other, and all plants can be famous by this stamp. And what about China porcelain? Look at this. This is China. This is China. This is a little cup. You see the same stamp of the ceramics plant. I don't know what is it. I don't know what is the plant of this. I don't know China language. But look at this cup. She's really beautiful, isn't it? And just think that this cup is about 70 years old. 70 years old, and it is. It is. And look at this. It's just ceramics. It's not China. It's Poland. But you see, they have their own paintings, flowers in blue color, and the same stamp. You see, it's Bolesławiec, wyprodukowana in Poland. It's Poland, it's Europe. Oh, next, this. The same cup, about 70 years old. The same, it was made in USSR. You see this stamp of plant. Take a moment. Wait a moment, I will check it. You can always look in internet. You can find the stamps of porcelain plants, and you can check by these paintings, by this letter, and I found that this was Baranovsky porcelain plant. Baranovka. And and look at, it's a really wonderful cup. Red, this gold, and you can see the same plant, but another flowers. Yes, so it's really interesting, isn't it? So waiting for another video and I'll show you some other items. Bye bye.